Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Data Analytics with Excel Lab. Today I'm going to explain the lab program 6. Cleaning data containing date and time values. Use of had value function, date had and date diff and time value functions. So open the Microsoft Excel. Open the Microsoft Excel page. Uh, Had two helper columns named date value and date format. This is our date test date and date value and date format. So today date is 29/6/2025. Apply the date value function. Date value, open the brace, open the date, select the date and click. Here the date value is here the date is converted into date value. Select another one date and equals date value, open the brace, select, close the brace, enter. We can also drag the drag here the date is added. Now if you want to select this date format, equals date value, open, select, enter. Here the date format is changed. This select here we have to select the long date and then drag this formula. So date test date, date value and date format. Next we have data had. The Microsoft Excel DATEADD function returns a date after which a certain time date interval has been added. The DATEADD function is a built-in function in Excel, is categorized as a date time function. It can be used as a VBA function in Excel. As a VBA function, we can use this function in macro code, that is enter through the Microsoft Visual Basic Editor. Select a Go to the developer menu bar, select the Visual Basic, click on the sheet. So here the sheet has opened. Enter the program subdate 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 underscore date date add, open the brace and close the brace, enter. My date equals hash 1/16/2024, close the hash, enter. Message box, my date, enter. Message box, date add, open. Here we had the year, comma 1, comma my date, close the bracket, date, message box, date add. So here we have to change the data and copy this and paste here. Comma 1, select this message, enter. enter. Here we have to add month. Here we have to add date. So date. Okay. Then we run this program. So the first output is 16/1/2024. Then click OK. This is our given input. Next, the output is here we increase the we had the year 16/1/2025. Next, we here we had the month 16 to 2024. Next year we had the date 17/1/2024. So this is our date add function. Next we have date value function, time value function. Then select the sheet 2, enter the program sub time underscore time time serial serial underscore time value time value, enter message box time serial comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Enter the message box time serial, copy this time serial. So 12 comma 59 comma 59. So here we have to replace this 12 comma 59 comma 59. Close the brace, enter. So here times value, we have to change this as time value. Here we have to change this as also time value. So change the time. So 20 colon 20 colon, open the double quote 20 colon 19, brace the colon, close the colon. Here I have double quotes 3 colon 10 colon 10, close the double quotes. Here we have to add 12 colon 10 colon 8, double quote close. Hence sub, you want to run this. Error, the sub function is not defined. Okay. Sub time serial time underscore time serial underscore time value. Okay, you have to enter this. So run this. The program is run the program. Sub or function is not defined. Okay. Sub time. Here we are adding the time value the subtimer underscore time serial underscore time value. The message box time serial is 345. Message box time serial message time value. Here where 20 colon 19 is converted into 20 time format. Message box time value, message box time value, where then run this program. The output will be the output will be 345 3 4 5, and then click on OK. The next output is 12 59 59. The next output is 20 19 00. The next output is 3 10 10. The next output is 12 10 8. This is our sixth program. Thank you.